Hello everyone, I'm so thrilled to have made this video for you. Thank you for joining me. I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step process on how to make celery juice. Now, celery juice has been praised by Anthony William, also known as the medical medium. Celery juice has highly cleansing effects on the body, the liver in particular. Now, the liver is where many diseases, heavy metals, viruses, and other harmful entities are stored. And with celery juice, it helps cleanse out all those. So I'm going to show you how to make celery juice, which is quite fun and enjoyable. First, you will need a powerful juicer. We ordered this Homever through Amazon, which is easy to assemble and clean. There are several you can buy online or at any local retail outlet. Next, you will need a full stock of fresh, clean celery. Be sure to cut the bottom and wash every stick thoroughly before processing into the juicer. Next, take a strainer and a measuring glass. You'll need to filter out all that fiber into the glass. The recommended quantity to drink is 16 fluid ounces. Once you're all done, you can pour the juice into a drinking glass. Now you're ready to enjoy a healthy beverage. For optimal results, I highly recommend that you wait at least 20 to 25 minutes after drinking the celery juice for it to work through your system. It needs that amount of time to flush out all those chemicals and viruses. And one thing I can also suggest as well is prior to drinking the celery juice, drink a liter of lemon-infused water and wait for 20 to 25 minutes for that to process through. It'll work even better in conjunction with the celery juice. So there you have it, very easy to make. I highly recommend that you make this an everyday staple. For best results, I recommend that you buy organic celery so you don't have to worry about all those pesticides. So I hope you found this video to be very helpful, and I'll end by saying cheers to great health. Thank you. If you want additional information, I highly recommend that you read this book, Medical Medium's Celery Juice, the most powerful medicine of our time, healing millions worldwide.